Okay, how are you? All of you, how are you? Tell me quickly. Tell me quickly, how are you, all of you? Sir, I cannot see. It is your problem, not me. Very fine. Sanchita, yesterday's class you are not present. Why, beta? Any problem? Okay. Okay. So get ready for the class. Everyone is ready. Everyone is ready for the class. Take your pen and paper and start solving maths. Okay. Yes. So stop typing. Okay, yes, I know that everyone is ready. Everyone is ready. I know that. Okay, stop typing, everyone. Okay, the first question. And I want to see that. And some statements are given. Sir, only school logo can be seen. Okay, cut the call and rejoin 8. Vishnu. Q, M, O, N, P are the points of the line segment. Okay, first of all, some statements are given there. Some statement are given there, and you have to say the statements are true or false. The statement are true or false. Write your answer on the chat box. Write like this: A, true or false; B, true or false; C, true or false. Okay, by one, not Mehtab, I have not, yes, the first statement, I have not discussed the statement, okay, all are giving right answer, true, okay, all are cancelled, your answer is not accepted as true because I have not told the question statement, okay, that's why you are answering, that's why your answer are taken as wrong. Q, M, O, N, P are the points of the line. Q, M, O, N, P are the points of the line MQ. Listen it carefully. Listen it carefully. Okay, don't miss it. Okay, all of your answers are wrong. Listen it carefully. Q, M, O, N, P are the points of line segment MQ. Q, M, O, N, P are the line segment MQ. Okay, true or false? Sushobhan answer false. Sanchita false. Beta, that was not question number A. False statement, yes. Because MQ means these two portions are fixed, then in this portion only 2 points are given, and this ONP are not the part of the line segment QM, okay. So all the questions whatever given in the NCERT book, you will do it in your home. I will do another type of question, another type of true or false. Listen it carefully, then answer. Otherwise, if you match with the book, then ABC, your answer will be wrong. Next question. Next question. Next question. MON at the point on line segment NP. Line segment NP. Vishnu, I will not take your answer. Srija Goswami, wrong answer. Srijita, false. Okay, right answer. Mehtab, I am Sanchita, right answer. Again, I am telling this question is not from your NCERT book. Like the NCERT, type of the questions are same, and all are answering just false, false. Okay, Srija Goswami, false. Okay, Dhiti, false statement. Okay, very good. Because MON are the part of line segment MN, not NP. So that is a false statement. That is a false statement. Okay, and those who are answering before telling me the question, their answer will be wrong. Okay, and I am just telling you the question, someone is writing true or false. That is not good. First listen the question carefully. O and Q, Sanchita is typing. If it is given answer before telling me the question, your answer will be wrong. Okay, your answer will be accepted as wrong. O and Q are the end point of line segment MN. True or false? O and Q are the false. Okay, right answer. Okay, false, right answer. False. Jiti, Vishnu, Abir Mirza. False. Yes. OQ means O and OQ means that point, and MN means. Okay, so these are the endpoints of MN, M and N, but they are given OQ. So that is a false statement. That is a false statement. Next. M is the one point of ray OP. M is the one point of ray OP. Okay, first for the first question, Sanchita, well done. Mehta, false. Okay, false. Srija, false. Vishnu, false. Salma, false. Abid, false. Sushovan, false. Okay. Dhriti, Sanchita is typing something. False statement. Yes, Sanchita, false statement. Because OP ray means from this direction, and M is the outside, M is the outer part of ray OP. So that is a false statement. That is a false statement. Next. N is the initial point of the ray NP and NM. N is the Salma, true. Srija Goswami, true. Vishnu, true. Okay, Sanchita, true. Okay, Sudhasuvan, true. Dhriti, Mehta, true. Okay, so Salma has given the first right answer. So well done, Salma. Yes, NP means this two, and NM means that's one. So N is the initial point. That is a true statement. Okay, students, some statements I have discussed in the class, other which are remaining, solve in your home, and if you have any problem, then answer the next day. You can ask me. Next, I want to discuss some terms of some basic terms also geometry, that is curve. Anyone can say what is curve? Anyone can say what is curve? Yes, Srijita, initial point means from where it is starting. From that point it is starting, that's why it is initial point. From here it is starting, that's why it is called initial point. Okay, got it, Srijita? Tell me what is curve? It is a open and closed figure, wrong. It is a open figure, Sanchita, wrong. A curve is a simple open curve, wrong. Srija Goswami, wrong. A curve is a simple open curve, wrong. That is the not your correct answer. But in the class 6O, 4 or 5 students have given the right answer. I have asked the same question, what is curve? 5, Sonnendu, Anubhav, those students are in the class 6O, they are given the right answer. Okay, but here all the students got fail. Sanchita, you are also fail in giving definition of curve. When a straight line get bent is called curve. Srija Goswami, well done Srija for trying a little bit. Okay, Srija Goswami is trying a little bit. Curve means not straight. Yes, that is also good, strong statement. Curve is not means not straight. Anyone else? Anyone else? Sanchita, try to say something. What is curve? What is curve? Try to say something. Mehtab, curve means not straight. Curve has no vertex. Better that the vertex, no. That is not match with the concept, because I will discuss it. If I asked you that draw a curve, almost everyone, almost that is 27 or 28 students, all of you will be able to draw the curve, because you can just, this is a curve, okay, this is a curve. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is curve or not? Yes. Okay. So you can draw the curve, but you cannot give the definition of curve. Okay. Listen it. I am saying, listen it. Okay. A curve. Listen it carefully. Stop typing Srija Goswami. Okay. Just listen what I am saying. A curve is similar to line. A curve is similar to line which cannot be straight. A curve is similar to line which cannot be straight. It means a curve cannot be straight. It is also the same. Why it is same? Curve is I am saying that curve is a straight line, but curve is not straight line. Curve is a line. Curve is similar to a line, but it is not straight. It cannot be the straight. It means lines are made of joining points, and curve are also made from by joining points. So curve and line, we get curve and line from by joining the points, but straight, in case of straight line, it is straight, and in case of straight curve, it is joining the points, but it is not straight. I think your concept is clear. I think your concept is clear. Write it down, yes or no. If you have any doubt, write it down, no. Yes sir. So what is curve? Curve is similar to line which cannot be straight. Straight hote pare na, banglaয় বলছি, okay? Straight hote pare na. Got it students? যেটা straight নয় সেটা curve. Now, and what is the similarity between straight line and curve? Curve is made of by joining points like this. Okay. Okay. And line also made of by joining point. That's why they are similar to line. These two are similar to line. Got it, student? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Any doubt, anyone? Sanchita, any doubt? Yes, sir. Yes, Sanchita, you have doubt? Ognibo, yes, Ognibo. How are you, Ognibo? No, sir. Okay. Next, open curve and closed curve. We have to learn which is open curve, which is now. Before that, simple curve. What is simple curve? Okay. Simple curve. Write down the definition of simple curve. What do you mean by simple curve? Curve which not cross itself. Yes, Mehtab, right answer. Curve which don't cross itself. Yes, Mehtab, well done, Mehtab. Srijita, the curve do not cross itself. Yes, right answer, Srijita. A curve that do not cross itself. Yes, right answer, Ognivo. It curve does not cross itself. It's called simple curve. Okay, Salma, right answer. Anyone else? Anyone else? Dhriti, curve do not cross itself. Okay, so listen it. Curve means, okay, so curve means I am starting from this point A and ending up to this point B, ending at that point A. So if any curve crosses itself, it means cross one part to another, it means overlapping one another, that is called simple curve. That is called simple curve. Simple curve means, देखो ये part टा देखो, just listen, watch it. This portion crosses one to another, this portion crosses one to another, it means it is not a simple curve. It is not a simple curve. Okay. Curve do not cross. Yes, Dhriti, you are right. Next portion. Next. It is a simple curve or not? It is a simple curve or not? Yes, it is a simple curve because we know that the portions, any of the portions are not overlapping each other. Okay, that's why it is a simple curve. Next, tell me this one is simple curve or not? This one is simple curve or not? Sanchita has answered no. Okay, no. Ognivo, okay, right answer, Ognivo. Because this portion, the one part is overlapping another. One part is overlapping another, crosses it's one another. So that's why it is not a simple curve. Next. Open curve and closed curve. Open curve and closed curve. Which one is open curve? Which one is closed curve? Well, then it is called open curve. If a curve does not cross itself, no, Vishnu, your concept, I think your concept is not right. A curve is, let from that point you are starting a drawing a curve and you ends also here. First, from where you have started, that is the initial point, and where you have stopped, that is the final point. If initial point and final point, initial means where you have started. Initial point I have started from here and stopped also here. So initial point and starting final point was a curve is that open by all sides. Initial point and final points are same, then that curve is called closed curve, and if it is not same, then it is open curve. For an example, start drawing from here. That is the initial point A, and I stop here, that is B. So initial point and final point, this A and B are not the same point. So that is open curve. That is open curve. What is, students? Open curve means initial and final points will not be same, and in case of closed curve, initial and final point, both the points will be same. That is the yes, Sanchita, which has not joined on a particular point of an open curve. Okay, I have discussed it by the help of initial and final points. Okay, now tell me, I have drawing 4 curves, which of them are closed? You have to say which of them are closed. One, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. I have asked that which of them are closed. Yes, Sanchita, right answer. Srija, how can you find that second one is closed curve? Ognibov, okay, right answer. Mehtab Srijita, right answer. Okay, beta, it's typing mistake, okay, make it correct. Okay, okay. So last one, that number 3. Number 3 is the closed curve. Remaining 2 curves, curve 1 and curve 2 are open curve. Next, now position of a point with respect to a curve. Position of a point with respect to a curve. Okay, if any point like that, it is a curve, a point A is here and B is the point here, and C is here and D is also here. Okay. Now A and D are the interior points and B and C are the exterior point with respect to the curve. It means if I think about the curve, then A and D are the interior point of that curve and B and C are the exterior point. Exterior point. Interior point, it means inside. Interior point means those points are lying inside the curve. That is interior points. And exterior points outside the curve. The points which are lying outside the curve, those points are called exterior points of the curve. Okay. And it can also be applicable for polygon. I have drawn a figure. Yes, A is interior. I have drawn a figure. Write down the exterior point. Which one of them is exterior point? Which of them is an exterior point? Write it down quickly. Which of Q is an exterior? Who answered it? Srija. Well done, Srija. Q is the exterior point of the curve. Yes. And next question, which is the interior point of the curve? Interior point of the curve. Dipti, Dhriti, P. Okay, Sanchita. Yes. Sar P means, Sanchita, what do you mean Sar P? Yes, P is the interior point. P is the, Dhriti has answered first. Okay, well done, Dhriti. So, P is the interior point. Next, so interior point and exterior point. We have learned. Another example, last example for the interior and exterior point. We know that figure very, very well, that is triangle. Okay. Tell me the exterior, name of the exterior point. Tell me the name of the exterior point. CP, yes, CD, CD. Okay, Sanchita. So who has answered? Srijita. Srijita answer first. Okay. Ognivo, where is the Ognivo? Salma, CD. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, Ognivo. C and D are the exterior point. C and D are the exterior point. Okay. Yes. And what are the interior points? What are the interior points? Yes, AB. Salma has answered first. Yes, AB are the interior points of the triangle. Let it is named XYZ. Okay, XYZ. Okay, the triangle XYZ. A and B are the points which are interior points of triangle XYZ. Okay, students. So I think your concept on exterior point and interior point it's clear. Next, any problem? Any doubt? Anyone regarding interior point and exterior point? No. Okay, beta. Now adjacent side. What do you mean by adjacent side and adjacent angle? Adjacent side. Anyone can say what is the definition of adjacent side and adjacent angle? First of all, adjacent side. What is adjacent side? Equal sides of a figure. Oh, beta, Sanchita, wrong answer. Not equal side. Mehtab is typing, sir. Hurry up, Mehtab. Because we reach at the end of the class. Just 1 or 2 minutes left. Side face one another. No. Okay. Okay. Listen it. Listen it carefully. The sides are called adjacent sides if they have one common point. If they have one common point. These sides are called adjacent side. It means I have drawn A, B, C, D. So just think about AB and BC. AB and BC. It has only one common point. Yes, who have answered? Srija. Okay, very good, Srija. Right answer. That AB and BC. AB and BC. Two sides, but one common point is B. So those sides are called adjacent sides if they have one common point. One common point. That is the definition of adjacent side. So B is the adjacent side. Sorry, AB and BC are the adjacent side because they have one common point as B. You can say B is the common point of side AB and BC. That's why AB and BC are the adjacent side. Okay, got it? Any problem? Any problem? Sanchita, Mehtab, any problem regarding the concept of adjacent side? Okay, next. And if you think about PQ and RQ, side PQ and side RQ, side PQ and side RQ, two sides are there, but they have one common point, that is Q. So these are called adjacent side. These are called adjacent side. Now last question of the class. Okay, last question of the class. You know it, ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral having four sides. The polygon having four sides is called quadrilateral. Now tell me the adjacent side of AD. Tell me the name of adjacent side of AD. B. Sanchita, how can you answer a line segment by giving only one letter of English alphabet B? Line segment, ray, all of these naming of these are given by two capital letters. Sorry sir, AB and BC. AB and BC. No, wrong answer beta. Wrong answer. Vishnu, A means I am asking you side but not a point. Adjacent side of AD, Srija AD. Srija and Srijita Goswami, both of you answer AB. AD. I have asked that adjacent side of AD, adjacent side of AD. ACD, Sushobon, wrong answer. Okay, almost all of you have given wrong answer. It means you're, oh my god. Okay, student, this type of question I will discuss in the next class. Okay, students, thank you.